Pathankot happened after my Prime Minister went to Pakistan uninvited. And I want to put it on record, I was the one who criticized him for going over there. There were many opposition parties who criticized why did my Prime Minister went uninvited from Afghanistan to Nawaz Sharif's place. But our air base was attacked and we lost many personnel over there. The Prime Minister said, Pakistan wants proof, you send your own team. Can you imagine any country inviting a neighboring country's spy agency to come to Pathankot? They were invited. They had seen, they were given all the records, but nothing moved, nothing happened. So this talk of, oh, why don't you speak to Pakistan? Who do we speak to Pakistan? You know, we have been cooperated with them, but Pakistan had never been forthcoming. So Pakistan army, Pakistan deep state is hell-bent on destabilizing India.